नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू। दिस इज़ द क्लास फॉर ओलंपियाड साइंस. सो लेट्स डू द टॉपिक. इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. देखिए, aerial animals are animals that spend most of their time in water, in the air, on land or underground. So its right answer will be that aerial. A for aerial, it means aerial animals mostly spend their time in the air. So the right answer will be answer B. Why it is so? Because aerial animals are birds and bats. Aerial animals examples are like birds and bats, and these animals exhibit adaptations to balance themselves and stay in the air. they ad- they do adaptations so that they can survive in the air, soaring or flying. These adaptations include like they have very strong flight muscles, their bones are hollow to make them light. Okay, that means these kind of aerial animals include birds and bats that have wings that are covered with feathers which trap air to keep the body warm and help the bird to fly. So answer will be second option. Camouflage is a kind of adaptation in which an organism deceives others by changing its color to merge with its surroundings. Which color will suit a chameleon to hide from its enemies in the forest? Right answer will be blue. Because camouflage, it is what it is a technique used by some animals like chameleons, whereby they change in color or pattern of their skin. They just change their skin pattern or skin colors to match their surroundings. Okay, so the color is blue. Third question is snake. A snake is a parasite, producer, herbivore or carnivore. It is a carnivore animal because it eats flesh. Next is find the mismatched pair according to animals and their living places. Habitats means in living places. So answer terrestrial, land, aquatic, water, amphibian, both land and water. For example, frog, it survives in both land and water. Aquatic, like tortoise, terrestrial, land animals. Arboreal, it is the mismatched pair. So this is the right option. Okay, next is the feet of frogs and ducks are webbed. This adaptation helps them to see. This adaptation helps them to hold the branches tightly, swim faster in water, fly in the air, or eat insects and grab things. See what is the use of the webbed feet? That this webbed feet of frogs and ducks helps them to eat insects and grab things. Okay, this you should be knowing. Okay, so that's why webbed feet are provided them. Next is which of the following can live on both water and land? This is very true. This is frog because it is an amphibian. Next, seventh question. A student identifies the following characteristics in an animal like strong claws and broad hip girdles, spines to prevent slipping, ability to climb trees. Which is the best suited title for this animal? C. The answer will be arboreal animals. What it will be? It will be arboreal animals. Okay. Uh, First of all, let me tell you what is adaptation. Adaptation means that the living things adapt or change themselves to suit their surroundings. Okay, so this is the adaptation. But when it is related to this question, that a student is recognizing the following characteristics of an animal, that strong claws and broad hips, spines to prevent slipping, and ability to climb trees, it is an example of arboreal animals. Okay, what it is known as arboreal animals. Okay, as you know, aquatic animals are water habited. Arboreal animals means that live on land, but most of them spend their time on trees. Most of the time they spend on trees. They may walk or run on land or glide in air for a short while. For example, flying squirrel, it is an example of arboreal animal. Or flying lizard. Okay, and tree frogs, monkeys. Okay, so some arboreal animals have claws to support them while climbing, and they have spines or plates so that they don't slip. So it is the characteristic of arboreal animals. Next question is in aerial animals, you know uh, limbs are modified as gills, limbs are modified as spines, or limbs are modified as wings, or limbs are modified as tails? The answer is limbs are modified as wings. You know, because they have a streamlined body. You know, if we talk about the aerial animals, so they have a streamlined body, and then their forelimbs just are modified into wings, okay, to help them to fly. Their bones are hollow to make them light. Bones are hollow to make them light. So this is the characteristic of aerial animals. Next question is, tigers and leopard roundings keep their bodies cool, or keep their bodies hot, or merge with the surroundings, or look beautiful? Tiger and leopard roundings merge with their surroundings. Okay. You know that carnivorous lions, tigers, foxes, eagles, these are the examples of carnivorous animals because they eat the flesh of the other animals. They have very strong legs since they have to run fast to catch their prey. Okay. Now we can say about you know that this is also a kind of, you can say, terrestrial animal. That means land habitat. You can also say na. So that's it. Now next question is, the scaly skin of snakes protects them from sea. The scaly skin of snakes helps them to crawl. The scaly snake, it is also we can say that it is also a carnivorous animal, so it has some scaly skins that helps them to crawl on the land. Okay, so the right answer is the D option. So if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.